Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your post visibility on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first thing first, we have to open our TikTok application on our mobile phone. And after we have this TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile and click on this three lines on the top right to open the TikTok setting. Go to setting and privacy, and then you have to open the activity center. In this activity center, we can scroll down a little bit until we find the manage post visibility. Go to manage post visibility, and here you will be able to manage your TikTok post visibility. For example guys, I'm going to make my public video become private video. I'm going to select this public video, and I'm going to make it as private video. So I'm gonna select only me, so only me can see this post, and I'm going to update the visibility. Okay, just wait for a moment. Okay, and now my public video has become private video, as you can see, and you can manage it as you want right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage post visibility on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.